One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. Woo! Now, just in a sense to give context to this graphically. So let's see, for instance, we are looking for 8. So we are going to now have our code go through. We are going to graphically look through the code and see how basically that find path finds the path for 8 and how what that means in a nutshell, right? So let's define a variable called let's find a variable called dir, right? We call it this and we give it two values, right? We call it, I say, an array. So we are going to be passing values into it. Oh, sorry, that's it. That's what I want. So yeah, so we are going to be passing values into it subsequently as we iterate through it. So we have the node, the head of our, or the root rather, of our array. So what do? We say root bts, we pass the root in and we take in the checker. It takes in our current, and basically that's what we call as root here. So our current that we take is taken in is the root. So it takes in the root, which is 6 at this point. Now it checks if that head is none. Obviously it's not none, it's a node with value of 6. So we know that that condition is not met. We transverse over that. Is this guy the node we're looking for, which is 8, which has a value of 8? No, it's not that node. So we also, move on from that. That condition is not met. Now we say direction that append left, so we add left here. Not mistake here, that's correct. So left here to the array, and what do? We say if checker current or left returns true. Now we know we are now in another stack because checker dot left current dot left. So we are going to see if it returns true. But before then, we are still on this line right here. So we say we've passed in left and we've gone to the current dot left, which is 9. Now we are at 9, we do the same stuff again. Is it none? No. Is it the current node, which is 8? No. So we also go to the left again. Sorry if I'm not, yeah. So we go to the left again. Now we've hit 8, right? And now when we've come again with, is it none? No, it's not. Is it the current node that we're looking for? Actually it is. So we return true. So immediately we go back up the 3, right? We've returned true to this guy. This guy here holds true for that first instance. So it returns true. So true also goes up the stack again. The dir return remains the way it is. It goes off the stack again, the same stuff again, we return true. So we go off the stack and eventually we return true for the checker. So the checker returns true on here. Right after we return true, we go back to the stack here, we return true, and then at the end of the day, we do what? The checker returns true. So at that point now we now return our dir, which is left and left. So we see that that's how this is what this guy returns, and that's how the find path what is it called? The find path function